Sea Cow Chronicles a deep dive into Sea Serenity. The manatee is a large, slow-moving marine mammal that belongs to the order Sirenia. There are 3 species of manatees: the West Indian manatee Trichicus manatus, the Amazonian manatee Trichicus inunguis, and the West African manatee Trichicus senegalensis. These gentle giants are known for their herbivorous diet, docile nature, and unique appearance. Manatees are generally large, with adults reaching lengths of 8 to 13 feet and weighing between 440 to 1,300 kilograms 970 to 2,870 pounds. Their bodies are robust and cylindrical, tapering to a flat, paddle-shaped tail. The skin of manatees is typically gray or brown and can be covered with algae, giving them a greenish appearance. This algae often provides camouflage in their natural habitats. Manatees have small eyes and no external earlobes. Their eyes are adapted for both underwater and above-water vision. The upper lip of a manatee is divided into 2 flexible, prehensile flaps that can grasp and manipulate vegetation. This adaptation is particularly useful for feeding. Manatees are primarily found in shallow, slow-moving rivers, estuaries, coastal waters, and lagoons. They are capable of living in both saltwater and freshwater environments. West Indian manatees inhabit the coastal waters of the southeastern United States, the Gulf of Mexico, the Caribbean, and northern South America. Amazonian manatees are found in the freshwater habitats of the Amazon River basin, while West African manatees inhabit coastal areas and rivers in West Africa. Manatees are herbivores, primarily feeding on aquatic plants such as seagrasses, water hyacinths, and algae. They use their flippers to bring food to their mouths. Manatees are known for their slow and peaceful nature. They are generally solitary animals, but they can be found in small groups, especially during mating or when females are with their calves. They are capable of both shallow and deep dives, and they often surface to breathe, sticking their snouts out of the water. Manatees may gather in small groups, known as aggregations, particularly in warm water refuges or during mating season. While manatees are not known for elaborate vocalizations, they do produce a variety of sounds, including squeaks, chirps, and squeals. Communication is important for coordinating activities such as mating. During the mating season, male and female manatees may form pairs for mating. These pairs are not long-term, and after mating, individuals typically go their separate ways. Manatees do not have a specific mating season, but they tend to mate more frequently in warmer months. In Florida, for example, mating peaks in spring and summer. Courtship behavior involves a series of interactions between male and female manatees. This can include nuzzling, touching, and following. Mating involves the male approaching the female and attempting to copulate. Manatee copulation is a complex process and can involve various positions and behaviors. Manatees are known for their gentle mating behavior. Unlike some marine mammals, such as seals, where mating can be more aggressive, manatees exhibit a relatively calm approach. One of the most distinctive features of manatees is their prehensile upper lips. This adaptation allows them to grasp and manipulate vegetation efficiently. Manatees have sensitive facial bristle-like structures, known as vibrissae, which help them explore their surroundings and locate food. These vibrissae are particularly well developed around the mouth. Manatees have a well-developed sense of touch, and their sensitive skin can detect even subtle changes in the water. This is especially important for navigating their environment and finding food. The nostrils of a manatee are located on the upper surface of their snouts. This adaptation allows them to breathe while mostly submerged and helps in efficient respiration. Manatees have a relatively slow metabolic rate, which means they have a low energy requirement compared to some other marine mammals. This adaptation helps them thrive on a diet of low-nutrient vegetation. Manatees face various threats, including boat strikes, habitat loss, and entanglement in fishing gear. Cold stress is also a concern in colder regions. Actively involved in manatee conservation, implementing measures such as speed limits in manatee habitats, creating sanctuaries, and conducting rescue and rehabilitation programs for injured or stranded individuals.